You can add multiple users to your WordPress site. Users are assigned roles, which allow them to access different areas and perform different functions within the site. To add a new user, click the Users button in the navigation bar within the WordPress admin panel. Next, click the Add New link under the User section of the navigation bar to add a new user in the Add New User page that then appears to the right. Type the username of the new user into the required username field. Type the email address of the user into the required email field. You can type the first name, last name, and website of the user into the optional first name, last name, and website fields. Type a password for the user into the required password field. The user will need to enter this password along with their username to log into your site. Type the password again into the required repeat password field. The strength indicator will show you the password strength. Stronger passwords are more difficult for hackers to guess. To send the password to the new user by email, check the Send this password to the new user by email checkbox next to the Send Password label. Then assign a role to the user by selecting a choice from the Role dropdown. You can choose Administrator to give the user access to all of the administration features of the website. Choose Editor to give the user the ability to publish and manage all posts. Choose Author to give the user the ability to publish and manage their own posts and upload files. Authors cannot manage other users' posts. Choose Contributor to give the user the ability to write and manage their own posts, but not be able to publish them. Choose Subscriber to only grant them the ability to manage their user profile. When finished, click the Add New User button to add the new user to the WordPress site. To see a list of all of your current site users, click Users in the navigation bar of the WordPress admin panel, and then click the All Users link in the User section of the navigation bar. A list of all currently created users will then be displayed in the page to the right. On this page, you can add new users or manage the users you currently have. Users with a role other than Administrator will see fewer options in the WordPress admin panel's navigation bar when they are logged in based on their role. At the top of the page, the available roles of users that you have created for your site will be listed. To view all users, click the All link at the top of the page. To view another role of users, click the link for the role name at the top of the page that corresponds to the role of the users that you want to view. All the users assigned to that role within your site will then be shown in the page. You can use the Bulk Actions and Change Role to dropdowns to delete or change the roles of selected users. To do this, first check the checkboxes next to each username for the users that you want to select. To then delete the selected users, click the Bulk Actions dropdown and select the Delete command. You would then click the Apply button to delete the selected users. To change the roles of the selected users, select the role that you want to assign to the selected users from the Change Role to dropdown. Then click the adjacent Change button.